me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do.
Okay. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. It is Lipsticks and Kicks, and I am back today with a cute little LV unboxing video. This time, as always, this is a bougie on a budget fashion item. So this was gifted to me from Top Rep Shop. I believe they had like a little bit of different name before, but they are known as Top Rep Shop. All links, coupon codes, and all those good things will definitely be left in the description below. So let's go ahead and let's jump right into it. So the item that I chose goes hand in hand with my last video on my LV Cherry Blossom vanity bag. So if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out below. That is from a different company. Here is the box. So you get the gorgeous orange Louis box, and of course your items come packaged very, very well. This came in a nice vacuum sealed cardboard box, and of course this is my size. I am small feet gang, size 35, and it does have a little picture of the sandal. So that is that. Here is the wrapping, and of course what I really always love, they did include a dust bag, and of course it was the shoes were individually wrapped in plastic wrap, but I discarded that. So these are super cute and just in time for summer. Hope you guys like the little look today with a little different color hair. You know, it's to switch it up, okay? It's summertime. We don't want to be looking boring and mundane. We need some color, okay? But these sandals are gonna be so perfect for this summer. Look at these gorgeous cherry blossom sandals, you guys. So these are so cute, and that's what I'm trying to do with my wardrobe. I'm trying to have matching pieces. So of course I have the matching bag for these, but of course I can wear these with any LV bag. But look at these, you guys. Look at the gorgeous cherry blossom detailing. So of course I have already tried these on and everything. I've been walking around with them, and they are really comfortable. First, I will say that it's a nice like spongy material, nice spongy leather material, so your feet are very comfortable. It's not just on a piece of hard like wood or whatever they use for mules, but right here it does say Louis Vuitton X Murakami. And then just to show you guys a little bit more close up of the gorgeous bow detailing, like look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh. So it does have that classic monogram. It does have the classic monogram background, and you have the Takashi Murakami blossoms with the little LV insignia in the middle. So these are so gorgeous. So here goes the bottom. That's how the bottom looks. It just has LV and the size, and it just says where they are made. And it has like a slight little heel just to, you know, give you a little bit of a boost so they're not totally flat on the ground. But these are so gorgeous and so pretty for the summertime. Okay, so I will say the material is 10 out of 10. Very nice. The only thing is that they are so fresh and new. So I would say, you know, wear them around the house a little bit, or wear them outside, maybe to like go walk and get your mail. Right here, they do need to be worn in a little bit because they're just so fresh and new. So you don't want to be slipping and sliding. Other than that, I do feel very comfortable in them. So that is one thing I will say. But other than that, they are perfect. They're so cute, and they definitely fit true to size for me. I have a narrow foot, so I hardly ever go up in size as far as my footwear, especially with sandals or heels and things like that. Maybe sneakers, I'll maybe get a 5.5 sometimes, depending on the shoe, but my feet are very narrow and skinny and like short. Like I don't really have wide feet at all, so I would say they're true to size for me.
I'm not dangerous when you're mine. I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine china. Favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces, and they're saying no. Life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa, whoa, he's a replacer.
And thank you for watching my quick little unboxing again from Top Rep, and I want to shout out to them as well. And these sandals are going to be definitely in my spring summer rotation. So as always, you guys want to see me style them, stay tuned to my shorts and follow me on Instagram, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one.